Effective exercises to slim down your face. Time flies and all of us are getting older. Our face is the first thing in our body which shows the signs of aging and getting older. Our face tells everyone about our actual age. You might have noticed that over a period of time, your facial features have changed. It can be because of wrinkles, fine lines, skin elasticity, and loose skin. Just like bodybuilders tone their body muscles to get a perfect body, we can tone our facial muscles and get those perfect facial features. If your face has been perennially chubby, rounded, and cherubic, and you want to transform it into a sleek and sultry one, stay tuned. My Simple Remedies has come up with today's video that will, according to doctors, will slim down your face and enhance your original facial features. Do you want to see your brand new reflection in the mirror? Then watch this video carefully and take down notes to do these exercises daily. Let's begin to do these exercises that are not difficult to start with, but before that, subscribe to our channel to get more amazing videos every week. Exercise number 7, up and down. For the first exercise, sit straight on a chair with your back straight. Now tilt your head back, look up to the ceiling. Now move back just as you can see our model. Tilt your face up and then down. Up and down. Do it slowly. Do this exercise 10 times. This will give you a more prominent jawline and beautiful and young looking neck. And yes, you can achieve all of this with this simple exercise. Exercise number 6. Full of air. Well, don't worry, it's not a difficult one. Take a deep breath, close your lips tightly, and fill your mouth full of air. Hold it for up to 5 seconds and then release. Do it for 10 times. This exercise is very beneficial for your cheek skin, for keeping it elastic. It works out for both upper and middle part of your cheekbone and will keep your face in perfect shape. Exercise number 5, make a pout. Now do a pout face, just like you do when you are taking selfies. Yes, that's it, and then back. Do it exactly as our model is showing it to you. This makes your skin look fresh and toned. It will use your facial muscles, which are not used at all. This exercise will tone your facial muscles to give you a perfect look. Exercise number 4. Tilt sideways. Now raise your hands left and right above your shoulders. Now tilt your face sideways. Tilt on the left side. Now tilt it back on the right side. Left and right. Do it slowly. Do this exercise 10 times. Exercise number 3, chin pushing. In this exercise, we will work out your jaw and chin and train the muscles that will beautifully and naturally slim down your face. To start, open your mouth and cover your teeth with your lips. Now open your mouth slowly and then close it. Open and close. Yes, that's all you need to do. Do it slowly for 10 times. 8, 9, 10. Well done. Exercise number 2. Pout and massage. Make a pout and tilt your head back, look towards the ceiling. Now massage neck slowly and gradually the way our model is showing it to you. This will give you a perfect jawline and a wrinkle-free, tight and beautiful long neck. Exercise number 1, chew up. This is the easiest exercise of all, but you have to do it for a bit longer. Sit straight now. Move your facial muscles as if you're chewing food. This exercise will help toning your facial muscles of your cheeks. It will tone your cheek muscles so your cheekbones will be more prominent and visible. I hope you liked today's exercises. Make them your routine and do them regularly. It will slim down your face and keep your face young and vibrant. I hope you like my video. Please press the like button to support our channel. Subscribe and share with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.